Sherlock. Log in into your Binance account. Click Futures. You can find in the mobile screen the search menu and select which type of crypto pairs you wanted to trade. For the USDT, we will select perpetual. For example, I will select mask USDT for trading. So click mask USDT. And this will appear in your mobile screen. And then you can find the buy and the sell trade. You can also find the number of leverage, which means the higher the leverage, the higher is the risk. So manage your risk. And then you either choose the cross or the isolated type of trade. But normally, I will choose the cross. The price, I choose the market price so that my order or my trade will be purchased instantly. Then adjust how much mask USDT you will gonna buy. Adjust the leverage. Click buy long and this will appear the amount of USDT you buy, the liquidation amount, and the cost. Click confirm buy. Then click position to check your order and to monitor your trade. Then click stop profit and loss to adjust your positions, take profit and stop loss. You can set the take profit, which means that when the price will reach in that position, your order will automatically close. And when you set it in the stop loss, when the price reaches in the price you set, your position will automatically close, preventing your account or funds from liquidation. Click confirm. Now you can monitor your trade, the movement of the candle, the moving average, the price action, stuff like that. And anyway guys, if you don't want to automatically take your profit, you can close your position manually. If you find out that your position is already gaining amount of USDT, you can close it right away. Click close and confirm, and then click confirm sell. Then your profit will automatically add up into your futures wallet, so you can check your futures wallet. Okay guys, thanks for watching and enjoy trading. Make sure also guys to invest knowledge in trading and manage your leverage and risk properly, and be calm and relax and control your emotions. Bye.